What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just doing a little hair tutorial showing you guys how I achieved this look. Super easy. It's less than a 10-minute hairstyle, and it's trendy and it's super cute. Easy, fast, all the good stuff. So make sure you guys subscribe for more random videos and let's get right on into it.
In the winter snow, but I'ma be
Alright, so I did all my curls. This took about 10 minutes, and I did like a pretty sloppy version today just because I know that it's gonna go up. So hopefully it's focused. There we go. Typically they look better, they look more silky and stuff, but because I am gonna put it up, I didn't really worry about it too much. Just wanted to make sure that my hair had some texture to it, and it's also just weird in general today. Just weird textures, so. Now I'm gonna comb through it because I'd rather have more relaxed curls in my hairstyle. And they'll end up like kinking back up too. And typically I wait like an hour before combing through them just to make sure that they hold better. So if you are gonna weigh your hair down, obviously wait a little bit longer before doing that. And then I'm gonna leave these few hair pieces down. Right, and then we're gonna put our hair up in a little ponytail. Go and do this. Boop. And then you just flip it. And then you have to decide like what length you want. So obviously the higher up your ponytail is, the longer your ponytail will be. So I'm going to adjust this again. This is also just fun because even if you have long hair, you can look like you have short hair. And I think short hair ponytails are like the cutest things ever, so it's pretty fun. Today I'm using my brown clip, by the way. I have, hello. I have black and white also, or black and clear, but I'm just feeling the brown today. It reminds me of like the camel color or the tortoise color. Okay, so I think that this is the look that I want today. It's pretty cute. So this is my completed look. I like to have this like a little messy up there. I think it's so cute. But yeah, I mean, this is obviously why I like to curl it. It just looks so much better back there. You can put it like up on the clip too if you want some volume back there. But I mean, it's just super simple, super easy, less than 20 minutes for sure. Unless I want to do like really good curls, in that case it takes longer, but why would I waste my time doing good curls? I wouldn't. So super easy, super fast. If you want to look cute for no reason, there you go. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you liked this little quick tiny tutorial.